Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, this is my last attempt at this video, and then it's done for the day. So this is going up, or nothing is going up, and I just do what I do without sharing it. So, Mr. Wolf here is pretending to be grandma. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. I recognize the big bad wolf when I see him. So, he was pretty cool to work on, really. And I loved it. I love the wallpaper. I love the window frame. I love the pink and the red in this. I loved all the little things on the shelves, even though you can't make out too much what they are, but you get an idea of some of the things. You know, I love the tablecloth. And look at that light coming through the window like a veil. Look at that. I was sitting here working in this part, and I seen that color in there. I'm like, what? And then I realized it was the light. I'm like, oh, cool. And it's an accent that I didn't realize was in it. And it's pretty good. It took me a little bit longer to do this. Usually it takes me a few days. I feel like there's an extra day or so in this. It's a 40 by 60. And he came from Temu. Okay, so because this is multiple attempts in a video, one of the ones I'm going to open for you is already open. I have a lot of work to do around here, and nothing's getting done. I already flattened it too, but you can't really tell. So maybe if I roll it this way. Because I'm thinking I want to work on one of these new ones. One of these chicks. I got two. I think I put creases in the paper again. The plastic. Okay, so this is a 40 by 50. This came from Paintsomeway, and I wanted it because I wanted to do the big hair. I liked it. It's all hair on the top, you know? It's like 50% of this image is her hair. Okay. So this is backwards a little bit. This is on the top on this side. You got 1 through 8, and we're in alphabetical order. Sweet. I hope she turns out. I have no experience with this company at all. Paintsomeway. Alright. It's a little bit more pricey than GBFKE, and I really like that company. Let's just look at this guy here. Oh, and her finger too. So, okay. I don't know. Let's see her mouth. I don't know. I think it looks good. Look at that. I love it. Alright. 25 colors. They come in little bags, but if you work out of these, okay, one thing that's good about them is that you can go faster. This lip is so small and close to the ground, okay? Well, close to the ground, you know what I'm saying. And then there's this tray. This is the type that I use all the time. You see how much more you have to lift up? And you don't think it's much, but it is. And it will slow you down a little bit. These little bags, they're just enough. You could pour one, whole one in here. So that's the benefit to them being that small, is you do them one at a time, and then whatever's left over in your tray, you pour it into a baggie or a jar, little bottle, and you move on to another color. You don't really kit up first. Well, when I have small bags like this, I don't kit up first. I do them one at a time. It just happens, you know? Okay, so let me get another one. And this is similar, but it is not the same. Another 40 by 50. Okay, the drills are prepared the same. And this is Morticia. I wanted this because of the chair she's sitting in. It's a thing. And there is a meaning behind it. But I'm not going to get into that today. Maybe when I do the completion or something I will mention it, but not, I don't want to risk what I say right now. So I've had too many screw-ups. There's only one flaw that I've seen in this. Is it in the camera? And I'll show you in a minute. I got it anyway. I figure I could fix that. Okay, got you nice and flat. Look at the legend is huge over here. Well, so is the border. Let me see. This one is bigger. You see over here? This one is a little bit bigger. And they're slightly different canvases. The print, you know, it's just different. What about this way? Yeah, this one goes a little further down the bottom too. A lot of extra canvas on. Is the canvas the same? Yep. Okay. So, Morticia deer. 1 through 8. And then alphabetical order. Let's look at you face. Okay, so here's what I'm going to fix. Is on the necklace, it doesn't quite go all the way up. I don't think that's right. So I think it's going to need... Well, it looked like it before. What about this one? This one come in clear. Not on the neck. It looked like, when I got it, it looked like it should go up a little more. But I guess it's supposed to be covered by this thing. Her bat necklace. She's got these long earrings on here. Let's look at that. Alright, let's look at your chair. The wicker chair. It almost looks like a mask, like you'd see in Hawaii or something. Like an hourglass. What's going on here? What is that? It's on her sleeve. Like a chain that would hang off of her sleeve. Maybe. And that's the curl of her hair. Like this big strand, and then it comes in curls. That's cool. She got some kind of gloves on, but not all the way across her hands. There's probably like a string on there. She's holding her roses that don't have roses on them. Okay, so what is the chair doing? Good. Alright. Anything in the background? Like a house. That's her house in the background. Here's a tree. So the sky is 3s and H's, basically. I don't know what a 3 is. Or an H. It's weird to see the pink, but then there's these. So, you know, it's around her jewelry and her lips. And okay. It's pretty dark, but that's okay. I knew it was going to be like that when I got it. I wanted the chair. Let's do another one from the same company. Wait a minute. Before I do that, I don't know how to spell Morticia. B7116. B7116. And this is W3776. What is her name? What's the plant? The plant. I'm just feed me Seymour. Feed me Seymour. It works for me. I think I'll remember what that is. Okay. Let's see what this one is. Oh. This is different than the image that I selected, though. It is not the same. And once again, these are all coming from Paintsomeway. $40 by $50. Huge borders. It should be bigger. I am disappointed. It said Hermit on the top and Baba Yoga on the bottom. Boogeyman, basically. But it said Hermit up here and Baba Yoga at the bottom. And it was like a tarot card. And that is not what I got. I am disappointed. Because now it's just a picture of an old woman. It gave it context. So if you order this from them, because GBFKE had this too. And both of those other ones I just had. But I already had this ordered when I decided to order from them. And I just wanted to try some companies out. And there you go. This is the result of it. And it is not as depicted. Now the one from GBFKE, it didn't have the actual card border. And right, it was like this. Well, that's not what I ordered. I wanted the one with the border on it. Make it look like a tarot card. Alright. I bet you a 30 by 40 would fit in there pretty good. Well, it'd probably be, it's bigger than a 30 by 40 canvas. Is it? Give me one. Give me one. Where are they at? There's one. So there's a 40 by 50 canvas. And this is all the bigger it is. So I don't know. I'm curious now. Where's that measuring tape at? Did I put it away or is it lost? It's right here. Okay. All right. Yeah, so it's like 32. Close to 32 by 42, something like that. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed at that. Okay, so let's get closer now. Got guide circles. I don't mind them. Now, let's check out and make sure that the K's aren't overstretching their boundary somewhere. And coloring, you know, like, they will have the color sometimes. I'm not saying, because I never did this company before, but sometimes you get a painting like the tree bum that I got. And he's like a little thing made out of tree, like Groot. And the side was trees. But what represented the trees, it went over into lighter color. And I'm like, well, I should be shifting color, not putting the same dark stuff on the lighter stuff. Like up here. Yeah, see, that is darker up here. See how it's darker up here? And then you come down here and it's lighter, but there's still K's. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. I will not take any more chances here with this company. I don't like it. Well, we'll see. They might have something I really like. Let's look at some colors and then we'll get back into more detail. But I'm already dissatisfied because everything is very dark in here to begin with. You know, it's a dark image to begin with. And then you're not even getting the color that you're supposed to get. Because I don't do skulls and stuff like that, but I made an exception. I don't know what this is. Got chicken legs on it. It's a house, I think. It's a house with chicken legs. And somehow that looks a little bit familiar. Like I've seen it in a cartoon somewhere before. So all those K's are going to be dark. 939. See? And this looks red. I don't even want to do it. I don't even want to do it. Oh, come on. I think I'm going to order the one from GBFKE. It might be exactly the same. It could be exactly the same thing. They might get it from the same people that make them. You know what I mean? I don't know. Not satisfied at all. I was so happy for this. V7119. Hermit. It was a tarot card, so I'm almost writing tarot cards so I can. I'm 40 by 50. But we already know it's not 40 by 50. Bummer. Pretty sure that was 10 bucks, if not more. I got one more from that company. But I think this is going to be pretty good. Alright, hold up and let me get something.